Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Amy. What's your name?
My name is David.
You speak English very well.
Thank you. Can I sit here?
Yes, sure. Do you know what time it is?
Sure. It's 5.
What did you say?
I said it's 5.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, David.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No. Sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure. It's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh. I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there is a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Amy. How are you?
Fine. How are you doing?
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I am hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza.
Oh. So let's go to the restaurant.
Okay. This looks like a nice restaurant.
Yeah, it is. I come here all the time.
Let's sit over there.
Okay.
Can you pass me a menu, please?
Sure. What are you going to have to drink?
I'm going to have a glass of beer. How about you?
I think I'll have a glass of wine.
Do you want to order an appetizer first?
Not really. Maybe we can just order some bread.
Okay, what are you going to have to eat?
I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Can you recommend something?
Sure, I've had the steak and the lobster before. They're both very good.
I think I'll have the lobster. What are you going to have?
I'm not that hungry. I think I'm just going to have a salad.
I'm gonna to the bathroom. When the waitress come back, will you order for me?
Sure. No problem.